We're here with Cheryl at the Blue Sky Coffee Company. She's going to tell us about
cacao. Cacao is where chocolate comes from. Now it starts off the tree in a big pod like this here. And then inside has a spiral of beans, so when I cut it open, I pulled it out. Just like coffee, it goes through similar processing. So you'll take the beans, you'll go through washing, drying, roasting process. And then of course you do have to add your other items to make it into its chocolate form. But it's basically a fruit until you process it, so it is edible in your raw form. And I'm going to let you try it here. Because your friends wanted to let you try it. I would suggest sucking on the outside.
Suck on the outside?
It has
it's sticky.
It is sticky, a little bit slimy. It does have a melon outside or taste to it. If you bite into it, it will have slightly bitter overtones like unprocessed chocolate is with this bitter chocolate.
It's delicious. It's sweet. They're big pieces, aren't they?
Yes.
I've never seen one of those.
So we don't process the chocolate here, but there is a farm called Original Hawaiian Chocolates here on the island that does the whole processing from growing to the final chocolate product. But it's basically a fruit until you process it, so we bring them down and show similarities between both products, coffee and chocolate, and let our customers sample when necessary.
All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.